Before anything else, answer this question in the comments below. What do you think you need in order to achieve your goals? What's missing? Come on, go there. I'm waiting. Oh, by the way, I'll answer all your comments below with a tip. So go there. Ready? So let's get started. Would you like to know what is one of the most damaging behaviors that you're probably having that's been preventing you from achieving your goals? So watch this video to learn more about this behavior, why it is so damaging, and what you can do to change it. Hi, I'm Sil, and one of my favorite things is to help people achieve what they want. Wait, does that make me a people pleaser? Well, not really, because it also happens to be my job. It's how I make a living. I get paid to help people feel happier. How cool is that? But the other side of it is when you just want to please others all the time.
Some marshmallow rice squares.
Those are swell.
And you end up putting yourself aside and not paying attention to your own needs. Think about it. Do you find yourself being helpful to everyone? Are you extremely polite?
Good afternoon, good evening, and good night.
Do you apologize often?
I don't have to apologize. Sorry. Damn it!
Are you overly productive? One of those people that never takes any second off because you want to deliver it all and fast? Do you keep finding excuses for other people's behaviors that frustrate you? These are all indicative that you're a people pleaser. And the truth is, if someone else is your priority, all other people, it means you're losing yourself in the game. Whenever we are focused on pleasing the people around us, we forget to pay attention to the goals we set to ourselves. Remember, we talked about setting your goals and going after them as part of your plan? So that is what gets lost whenever your mind is focused on something else. Our brain understands that what you're paying attention to is what really matters to you. So in order to save energy, yeah, our brains are that smart, it forgets about all your needs. And all of a sudden, you too forget that your dreams are yet to be achieved. Besides, people who are people pleasers tend to be very nice to others, but very harsh on themselves. Self-criticism is always present, and you tend to feel undeserving of good things, seeking external validation all the time. Eventually, it leads you to a very negative self-image and even to burnout, because come on, it's too exhausting to please everyone. So I promised I would give you a tool to change that bad habit, and I will. But first, don't forget to hit the like button and leave your comment below so I can help you directly. Oh, of course, and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's talk about that tool that I promised to give you. It's very simple. Next time someone asks you to do something for them, take 20 seconds to answer. Yes, 20 seconds. It feels like an eternity, right? Well, only if you're not thinking, but you will use those 20 seconds to think and answer yourself mentally. And these are the questions you're gonna ask yourself and answer in 20 seconds. Do I want to do this for them? Do you really want it? 2, do I need to help them? Is it something that you must do for some reason? And 3, will it help me achieve my goals? If you answered no to these 3 questions, so your answer to them must be no. And by the way, no is a complete sentence, no need to explain further. Now, if you answered yes to at least one of these questions, you may answer yes to them as well. Yes, I'm gonna help you. But you must make it really sure that it's good for you, that you're really happy for doing this, that's helpful in a certain way, and that's leading you to your goal, or at least a step closer to your goals. Learning that it's okay to say no is the first thing we must do if we want to stop being people pleasers.
No. No, 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 no. No, 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 no.
And by doing this exercise, you are already on the right path. So I want to hear your comments and see how you're going with this. And don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss any new videos. I'll see you next week.